this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 24H2 without needing a Microsoft account. I have booted Windows 11 24H2 from an ISO image and now I am on the select language settings page. Since I'm installing it in VMware workstation on unsupported hardware that doesn't have TPM enabled, the installation would be typically blocked. To bypass this, I will configure some registry settings before continuing with the installation. These steps will work the same way on the physical hardware as well. First, I press Shift key plus F10 key on my keyboard to open the command prompt. Now I type regedit to open the registry editor. Using the arrow keys on my keyboard, I navigate to H key local machine system and then setup. Here I will create a key name LabConfig. Inside LabConfig, I will create a dword 32-bit value called BypassTPMCheck and set its value to 1. Next, I will create another dword value called BypassSecureBootCheck and its value to 1 as well. With these settings saved, I will close Registry Editor and command prompt and continue with the installation. Click on next and then click on next here as well. Select this option that I confirm that everything on this system including files, apps and settings will be deleted as this is a fresh installation. After selecting next, I will click on I don't have product key. If you have product key, you can enter it in the box provided. Now I will select Windows 11 Pro for workstation and click on next. I will accept the license terms and agreement. Now it's currently searching for disks on the computer. The partition is already there. If you want to create a partition, you can create a partition by using this option, create partition, and then click on next. With everything ready, I will click on install. So Windows 11 24H2 is now installing on my virtual machine. These steps will work the same way on the physical hardware as well. Now you can click on yes on this page, or you can select the region you are from. That's your choice. I'm just keeping it as default. Keyboard layout I will keep as US only, and then I don't want to add second keyboard layout, so I will skip. Currently it is checking for updates. I don't know how much time it is going to take, but I will stop the recording for now and will resume the recording once this is finished. I will give device name here. You can give anything. Click on next. Now on this page, how would you like to set up this device? There are two options: set up for personal use and second option is set up for work or school. If you click on set up for personal use, then you will have to use your Microsoft email account. It won't give you option to use local user account. So let's click on this option, set up for work or school, and this is also not straightforward, so watch each and every step what I'm showing over here. So click on next. Once you click on next, you can click on sign in options and then click on domain join instead. On this page, who is going to use this device, then you can give any name. I'm going to give my name. Make sure you're not giving same name as the device name. So I will give this name Nilesh1 and then click on next. Now click on password to type the password and enter the password. Click on next, confirm the password, click on next, and then answer the security questions. Please give proper answers so that it will help you in future if you want to recover this device. For now, I just gave random answers. Now just uncheck these options over here. Click on accept. The next page is your Windows update is in progress. This could take a while. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Let's wait for the update to complete, and once the updates are complete, you can just log into your computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and